روح.
Hi, this is Jamal. This is my second assignment for 7400. The second assignment is modifying the first assignment by adding Arduino control for our robot and image processing. We add this part Arduino control. Here's the robot was moving. Uh, I'm gonna test now moving the robot arm by using our hardware, which is a potentiometer and push button. So I'm gonna choose the Z axis for our moving and establish the connection by clicking on the hardware. As you see, the connection are successful, and now I'm gonna moving the uh, potentiometer to moving our robot arm. As you see, it's moving in axis. Also, we can change the movement axis. For example, we can choose y axis, and we're gonna start moving in y axis now. This is what it's also the same idea with the x axis. Now I'm gonna go to the image processing part. The second part of this assignment is image processing. We're gonna scroll the image by using our hardware here. We have three scroll moding, axial and sectional and chronal. And we have two potentiometer, for one for scrolling the image, the other for brightness and contrast, and three LEDs to show which scroll mode we are running now. And there is a push button switch to control and terminate the process. I'm gonna go now chronal mode, and by pressing in the scroll, I'm gonna establish the hardware connection and loading the image. Here, as we see, during we moving or scrolling the potentiometer, the image are scrolled and changed. Also, as you see, the LED here indicate that that scrolling mode. I'm gonna terminate this process by pressing the push button now. There's a message to confirm that I'm needing to stop this process. Now I'm gonna move to the second scrolling mode and press scroll and establish the connection now, and it's successful. As we see here, the second LED are on now, which indicate that we are in the second scrolling mode, and also we can now scrolling the image and go over a different image. Also, we can terminate by using push button. This is the confirmation. Now I'm gonna go with the third scrolling mode, Excel, and I'm gonna scroll the image now. Here it's asked us if we would like to adjust the contrast and the brightness. I'm gonna say now, and we now scrolling through the image by using potentiometer 1. For example, if we go and choose this image, we're gonna press the push button to choose it. Now it's asked us to adjust the brightness or contrast. I'm gonna say now brightness. So we can now playing or changing the brightness by using the second potentiometer. I think we can recognize it now. The brightness are changed and get more bright. Also we can change and make it more darker. If we're gonna choose this brightness, we're gonna press push button, and I'm gonna say now say no. Then I'm gonna say yes, continue. I'm gonna choose different image, and I'll test the contrast. Yes. As you see now, I'm gonna change the contrast by using the second potentiometer. I'm gonna choose the image now. Now we're gonna test the contrast function. I'll choose one of those picture. I'll choose this one by pressing push button. Then I'm gonna choose contrast adjust. Then by using second potentiometer, we can change the contrast. As you see, the contrast are changed. If I'm gonna choose this status of the picture, I'll just have to choose push button. I'm gonna say no. If we need to continue collecting the photos, we're gonna continue or no. The thing that I'm gonna do it now, I'll test a function of creating the 3D models by selecting two ROI. I'll say no. So we're gonna choose 10 slice. I'm gonna start now with this. I'm gonna choose this now. Yes, to change the ROI. By double click we choose it, then we're gonna say yes. Then we have to choose another one, then yes, double click, yes, continue. Then we're gonna choose third one. We need 10. Fourth one. Fifth one. Yes. Scrolling to get 10 now, I think 7. Chosen by push button. As you see, we have this message told us that we have 10 slides, which is able to get a 3D. So we're gonna say now no to get the 3D model for the 10 slides. It's gonna take a while to come up. Here is the 3D model for this is the Denali triangulation, and the one. This is the one that we use three slices. We can compare this. I make a function here that is create 3D model by using all the IMR scan what we have in the system. So by pressing here now, we're gonna take the 3D model for all the photo that we have it in the system. Also, I think it's gonna take a while. Yeah. Here's it. Now it's clear that the difference between the one with 3 slices and this one. If you get more data, the accuracy will be get more accurate. That's all what related in my second assignment. Thank you.